Dismantle? Oh, it is dismantle, huh? What the fuck is that thing they have to dismantle there?
Yeah, there is. 20,000 over there.
Defusing splinter, man. You don't have to shoot at it, you bum. You have to fucking defuse it.
Important target, Guardian.
What do we gotta do?
Wait, you saying we did it wrong?
No. We have to kill something. Oh, just bump.
No, I'm saying about the splinter mod.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We destroy that shit.
Do we gotta destroy this? Or what?
Yeah, you gotta destroy that. You gotta shoot it in your Vex. The Vex one, I mean the fallen one, you gotta destroy it.
Whoa! What the fuck was that? Yo, behind you! It's a fucking OP bus.
And against the galley.
God is the answer of all your problems.
Dude, I didn't see that motherfucker out of nowhere. The whole floor just shakes and I'm dead.
Yes. Oh my god, what is it? Oh my god.
The coin still though.
Again. Where's the gift?
It's probably heavier the rocket launcher.
Ooh,
It's right here. It's a cannon.
You want it?
Nah.
They only give you
I
one?
got it last night. I don't want to be selfish. Check speech.
Oh shit, it's good. This thing is getting
Whoa, what the fuck is that? That keeps blowing up. Oh, the shanks. Fucking shit.
See that.
What happens with the
You have done it. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Enemies die, you live.
Oh my god, MVP. MVP boy.
Need you back in airlock, Guardian.
Did you guys die?
I died.
I don't.
Flawless, baby. Let's get it. Flawless.
Wish there was a trophy for that.
Yeah. Well, there isn't, because SN is lazy enough. I mean, Bungie's lazy enough to not put, not even trophies after the
Barely
DLC.
any trophies on this.
Trickle, what the fuck is that? Recharge of ability. Oh wow. Grenades and shit. Reload. Oh, slower.
There's 4 rounds.
Oh, you get more super from grenades?
No, like it recharges less. Alright, this is the Vex, isn't it? Yeah. It has to be the Vex.
It's almost 4 now. Yeah.
Yeah, Hive 1 isn't that bad. Hive 1 is pretty good. It's pretty easy. Yeah, I see that. I saw fucking Minotaurs. Holy shit.
There's a fucking ogre.
No. No, that's different than the ones we did. Lol. Lol. Yeah. Ours was just wasn't that bad.
Just ball.
Oh, god damn it. Kelvin, stop jizzing on me, god damn it.
Stop taking it.
I can't refuse. Whoa.
Whoa, that motherfucker jumped on me. Oh fuck, special abilities. I mean, yeah, I thought I heard it too. Mine's.
Fucking exploding throw.
Oh wait, how can we destroy them? They got shield. Oh.
No, you just gotta defuse it.
No, I was just to stand near it.
Yeah, defuse it.
Oh fuck, they're snipers and they also got that solar shield. That's annoying.
I don't like the back sword.
When
Yeah, I
is
don't
the
like
fucking
that.
boss fight is gonna happen?
I know, right? Oh fuck,
Wanna fight someone
Minotaur.
big. I'm tired of these small things. I can't feel them. Fuck.
What
They don't do no damage.
Oh shit, the jizz bomb. I mean, the bomb. Mine. The sounds are fucking sick as fuck.
Yeah,
Yeah, not every. Yeah, like all the sounds of the DLC are fucking sick. And when you defuse are defusing the mine, it's like.
oh, this fucking ogres.
Are we fighting a boss now? I think we are. The music started.
So it's the final round that you fight a boss.
I don't know. Like music just started, and he said
Like,
something
it
about
will
the
be
mine.
Like a cutscene. It will be like a cutscene when you're
Oh.
fighting a boss.
Peanuts.
It will like
Peanuts.
Where are you, Kelvin? I got you. Yeah.
Did
How
he
about
die?
Bubba?
Well,
Oh shit, we gotta get the mines.
So,
oh.
Whisper is kind of tough. Mine. You got it?
Shot with the Minotaur. Oh, he's teleports. What a little bitch. Hate it when they do that.
What are you using, Kelvin? The hunter?
Yeah, he's using the hunter.
Ah, finally died.
Dude,
Yes.
ammo is fucking hard to come by. What the fuck?
Kelvin died. What a sad
By
motherfucker.
accident, snap rifle.
What a sad boy. Return to our love.
There we go.
What's it?
Alright, we fought we fought every enemy. Now what?
Always gonna be more about motherfucking backs.
Yeah, now what? Nothing could brought me down. I'm still standing. I'm nuts.
If this is the end, I'm gonna be pissed, but at the same time good, cause I gotta go soon. In like a minute.
Barrick summons all guardians. Oh, final round. Now is the boss fight. Shithole. He said it, look. Yeah, there he is. It's like
Yeah.
a ball, motherfucker. Oh my god. Yeah, he's gonna change shield a lot.
Alright.
So.
If we could do this in 5 minutes, I'm good. Oh, for else it's a servitor, a big ass servitor.
Holy shit, this is not easy.
Yeah. Ours is a big servitor motherfucker.
Ours is like the Cabolas.
Yeah. I got bubble.
I just popped it.
I wanna play with you guys. Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. Okay, this is level 28 now. I remember. He sucked you off.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, there he is. This is the big motherfucker. Oh, he doesn't have a shield. Oh shit, I'm gonna die.
Oh, Bobo is gone.
Don't suck me.
Uh,
What the fuck? That shit.
You like those Galahorn shots, bitch? You like his spoon, won't you? I guess he does, cause he's not fucking taking any damage from it. God damn.
He loves it. He loves all that shit.
Wow, this isn't that bad. This is fucking easy, dude. This is getting wrecked.
Once you go to 35, this is fucking hard.
Well, yeah, a higher level is gonna be fucking hard as fuck.
Yeah.
At least for now in 28. Yeah, 28 is easy for now. Oh shit. Take the captains.
Just shoot him. Fuck the other guy.
Yeah, that's what I did, and now I have like 5 captains on me.
Yeah. Gotta run away from them.
There's a
The
Yeah.
only
bunch of
reason
guys,
he
man.
ain't dying that quick anymore.
Yeah.
There's a shit around him.
Come on. He's dead.
Shit.
Damn, we did that in 2 minutes. It's not that hard in this level. What do we get? You live, they die.
Holy shit, I finally died. Yeah, we did it. I fucking died when he died.
Yes. Oh my god, that guy is so fucking creepy and gay. Go to the
Oh,
airlock. Yes.
Oh, we gotta go back.
Yeah.
Why?
Maybe he's gonna give us our rewards now. Maybe we're gonna be able to open the chest.
Treasure!
Yeah,
Now you're gonna
treasure.
go to the treasure key. Shit.
Treasure. So wait,
Wait, I
so
don't have space for a treasure key.
Treasure.
ah!
What the fuck? Yeah, bitch,
Come on. Your treasure!
Oh shit, we're falling down. Oh fuck.
Yeah.
That is so retarded.
Oh, treasure!
Oh,
Treasure!
we gotta go more down? Are you serious?
Ready?
Did
Let's
you
go.
fall like a bunch of where you stand at the wall
Oh,
too, like,
wow.
Yeah, fourth horseman.
Yeah.
Oh, he said treasure, take the money. I take the money.
Oh, you got the fourth horseman?
Yeah. Yeah, then I got the. Ooh, what
he
the
just got
fuck
the
is this?
Galahorn! He just
What
got
the-
the Galahorn!
Look.
The
Inspect
random
this,
dude.
Kelvin.
And guess who else got a Galahorn? Look at my stream.
What?
You?
I got a golly.
Wow.
Wow.
Look
Dude,
at
why
this,
can't I pick
Kelvin.
it up?
Oh, inspect me, Kelvin. I got this weird ass hand cannon for the DLC. Fuck.
Dude, I can't pick it up. What the fuck?
Holy shit, dude. This gives you a shit ton of rewards. What the fuck?
Hey, I like it. Yo, that
Holy
treasure
shit.
room looks sick.
Yeah, it
I
does.
got a.
Did you open the 2 chests too?
43-point KD
Yeah.
ratio.
Dude, look at this hand cannon that I just got. It's weird. It's pink.
Dude, can I go
Oh,
back to
purple?
that chest?
Huh?
What
Can I
happened?
go back to the chest room thing? Because I didn't
I-
get to get it.
I don't know. Maybe.
We're gonna do it again, ain't we?
Are you guys gonna do it again?
Yeah,
Because
but
I
you
gotta
stole
go.
One of my keys. That sucks.
That is
Alright, let me
stupid.
switch.
'Cause I need to go
Like-
back to that shit, dude. I didn't get shit.
Yo, Henry, guess what one of the perks of this gun is?
Which one? The horseman?
No, I got a new gun called Her Mercy.
Oh yeah, I see it. What is it?
Icarus.
Oh yeah.
It looks
that's-
good. It's pink.
Oh, shit.
It's a pink gun. Oh shit.
Dude,
This guy is
ow.
already 334, yeah. Yeah, damn.
Yeah, all the new shit is higher.
That's what I got so good.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take it like that.
Galley.
I got one.
So good. So good. So good.
Alright, I'm out. I'll come back later. Yeah.
Right.
Dude, I didn't get the
We
shells. What the?
fucking completed everything like around the same time. Like, every little area we're completing at the same time.
Yeah.
In the end.
Ooh, clip torch.
Oh yeah, I have one. Alright.
I got the God of War.
I have another thing on.
He gives me a null and beyond too. He gave me a null and beyond too.
Is amazing.
Alright, I'm out. I'll be back later. Alright.